Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Vishal from Maharaja Agar Sen University, Badi, Himachal Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss about the module Sustainable Entrepreneurship 1 under the paper Tourism and Hospitality Entrepreneurship and Legal Environment. Students, after completing this module, you will be able to know about the concept of sustainability and sustainable entrepreneurship. Know about the various environmental issues faced by the locals and the global community as a whole. To learn about how entrepreneurs can apply their skill to transform new forms of sustainable enterprise in the concern of all the societies across the globe, to allow students to access the return and dangers of undertaking SC, which will engage them in discovering method to calculate social, economic, and environmental risk and remuneration of a new enterprise. And last, to evaluate the financial structuring of sustainable entrepreneurship ventures and sources of funding. Students, as we all know, we are existing in thrilling periods which are categorized by key power changes. There is no requirement for large and difficult infrastructures and companies to convert an idea into a solid explanation. Nowadays, a person that is inspired with a noble clue, willpower, and some simply reachable instruments can test complete traits. This has steered to a new breed of individuals that practice entrepreneurial values and methods to resolve key sustainability difficulties. We call them sustainable entrepreneurs. Sustainable entrepreneurs use creativity to stimulate difficulties to models and make explanations that provide social, economic, and environmental value. Usually, sustainable, sustainability entrepreneurs are on an individual's task to create the earth as a better place to live in. There are adequate number of instances of entrepreneurs that have proven that a look from side to side the lens of sustainability tells chance to improve people's quality of life, our natural environment through at the equal time producing economic value.
Sustainability and entrepreneurship. Social plus environmental problems are on the plan of governments, NGOs, and companies for a few times now. As an outcome, a lot has been done to decrease environmental influence and recover the quality of life of societies. In the recent times, entrepreneurship has emerged as a modern platform in which sustainability problems are being talked. Entrepreneurship has the talent or ability to make value in each of all the three dimensions of sustainability through improving modernization by new services, business models, and goods.
What is sustainability? Sustainability is a complex and a vast conception. For few, it expresses to environment and safeguarding of natural resources. And for some, it denotes to persistent economic growth, or equally for societal problems, and by an emphasis on growth and upkeep of the most deprived. For still others, it's a mixture of these. Some see the possibility of value formation to contribute to sustainability. Though sustainability is all this and more.
Sustainability means primarily a style of living in its entirety that creates likely the best environments of living for everybody, I all times. Sustainability means live a stable life currently, a beneficial way of living in which no one survives at the price of anybody else. Circumstances in which, for instance, few have an surplus of food whereas others don't have anything. There is no sustainability for those who don't have nothing. Sustainability also defines as a way of life stayed by the entire society that deliberates the requirements of upcoming generations. On the one hand, a way of life that is not sustainable in the small term will only result to decline in the long time frame. If there is something calculated and very well calculated about it that calls for losses today in order to attain profits for all in the future, something that is very tough to do, as those who have much today will be unwilling to submit their benefits in order to share with others in the forthcoming period. On the other hand, though the way of life may be stable today, somewhat that is clearly not the situation. It may be a situation of stealing against the future to attain this equilibrium in the small period, and we would not have sustainability in the forthcoming times.
Now the question arises, why sustainability? Sustainability goals to do enough more than report dangerous circumstances like the environmental disasters stated overhead. The major three reasons why the growth of sustainable replicas of use and construction are so significant. Number one, natural resources are available in limited quantities. Number two, exponential social population development. And number three, present plus forthcoming generations to have a complete right to accomplish their requirements.
Number one, natural resources are limited in availability. The planet is locked structure offering which delivers the essential components for life to grow in the form of insects, animals and plants. Life needs positive environments to flourish, compromising access to nutrients, clean air, energy, materials, and water. In the case of humans, development is not only a partial to biotic substance but also to societal and cultural growth. The quality and amount of environmental resources accessible on the planet for life to curl and grow is either firmly partial or needs a good amount of periods to be naturally transformed. As an outcome, conditions plus resources of specific significance comprise energy, storage, generation, usage, distribution, toxicity, environmental and human disruptions, materials, scarcity and overexploitation, air and water, emission, pollution, scarcity. Exponential human population development. Human inhabitants are rising exponentially, mainly since the Industrial Revolution. The reason for this compromise, a complete development in healthiness facilities and rise in food distribution and production. An exponentially increasing population interprets into an exponential use and mining of resources. Such exponential use of resources is unswervingly connected to consumption's power, that is, continuously developing in all parts across the globe.
The right of current and future generations to fulfill their needs. Sustainable growth purposes to offer the correct and resources both present and forthcoming generations to accomplish their wants. The main objective of the Brundtland explanation is to guarantee the forthcoming generations will be having the skills to experience a quality of life that we currently know about it. Blend of three components: right to accomplish desires of present and forthcoming generations, plus limited resources, plus growing population, signifies the test that sustainable growth wishes to speak. Furthermore, there is no silver bullet that can resolve this test, and many complicated problems need to be engaged into reflection when targeting to deliver answers.
Concept of sustainable entrepreneurship. Sustainability is well described as growth that fulfill the requirements of the current exclusive of negotiating the skill of coming generations to meet their own needs. The Brundtland Commission described sustainable growth as the process in which the exploitation of natural resources, the allocation of investments, and the process of technological development and organizational change are in harmony with each other for both current and future generations. Sustainable entrepreneurship takes a somewhat unlike viewpoint from the old style emphasis of entrepreneurship by stressing extra objectives of endorsing environmental development and sustainable living. An importance on sustainability inside entrepreneurship includes examining for chances for new services and products or innovative technologies or production procedures that alleviate environmental and societal situations, full effective use of natural resource and energy, and bind fresh resources which are extra rich, inexpensive to create, and less damaging to the society. Since, as an entrepreneurial viewpoint, such as importance gives chance in the type of pioneering, creating methods, lower risk, price savings, and the ability to handle the global serious issues.
What is sustainability entrepreneurship? Shortly called as SC. SC is also described as an ongoing promise of commerce to act in a right direction and subsidize to the economic growth, although enlightening the standard of life of the staff, their children, and the native and worldwide public, and also the forthcoming generation. World Business Council for Sustainable Development said like this: from a SC viewpoint, business persons have a duty to their shareholders and investors, but also to the society, nature, and forthcoming generations.
SE can be viewed as including the three P's: planet, profit, and people. The first part people denotes to a business's dealing of its staff, safety of human rights, protecting anti-child labor, and daunting self-discipline in ceasing from succeeding unethical labor practices. It may compromise generating employment that is creditable target but cannot be commenced exclusive of instantaneously seeing its influence on the third P, that is profit. The second part denotes the influence of the business on environment and natural resources. Guarding the ecology is important to an SE viewpoint in terms of fetching a main target together with money making for a business or a standard for assessing policy. Therefore, SE might be viewed as a procedure that generates businesses that can be contributing and uplifting in their connections with the ecological system and human beings. The third part, profit, is the aim of business. When largely expressed, profit relates not just to the monetary earnings of the business, except to the division of monetary earnings amongst investing in infrastructure, research and development, machines, and other usages, and circulation of the profits among those engaged in the business process. Idea of SE is constantly changing in the way that principal affairs about the ecosystem and people are tending to grow with the passage of time to time. It can be debated that first generation of businesses working SE determined on engaging procedures that protected cash, though the second generation has concentrated on fresh projects which creates fresh products that add to improving sustainability. SE and other types of entrepreneurship. Students in sustainable enterprise lessons must study that SE is linked to different forms of entrepreneurship, and when the results of SE are assessed separately from the rest of the types of entrepreneurships, the method of approaches of SE construct from the different forms. In this regard, an essential point of debate for our development on SE will be for children to know what SE is. With the help of the outline advanced by Tilly and Young in 2006, it is likely to debate that SE can be illustrious from the economic entrepreneurship as well as environmental and social entrepreneurship in relations of its prominence, even though these unlike viewpoints are interconnected. For example, SE stresses the economic competence and efficiency parts of economic entrepreneurship but compromises intergenerational economic equity as an additional thought like social entrepreneurship. SE contemplates problems of socio effectiveness and social concern and but also carries in contemplations for the upcoming. Whereas the idea of a social entrepreneurship focus to definitional doubt in terms of whether or not it mentions completely or mainly to non-profit enterprises, it can be contended that SE is reliable with entrepreneurs, pushing continuously for gain and for refining native and worldwide social and environmental circumstances as per Cohen and Wynne. In calculation to problems of ecological equity and environmental stability are reflected by environmental entrepreneurship, SE highlights on environmental sustainability. Therefore, SE takes into account together environmental effects and social sides while also seeing the long-standing business and economic results of fresh project openings as specified by figure 1.
Let's discuss need and importance of sustainable entrepreneurship. New economic examples are needed to undertake the worldwide test of 21st century, such as resource deficiencies, rising inequality, climate change, and growing worldwide dependencies. One explanation is sustainable entrepreneurship, the idea of uniting social, ecological, and environmental interest and including products and services that offer answers and solutions to socio-political issues. Sustainability entrepreneurs are primarily active at the interface between politics, business, and civil society. They provide access to new resources and work to initiate structural changes by applying economic approaches that account for social and environmental concerns. They use innovative business models to create new markets, generate new sources of income, particularly for socially underprivileged sections of society, and help cultivate green economies.
SE and quality of life for workforce. Social and environmental problems have been on the plan of governments, companies, and NGOs for a few times now. As an outcome, a lot has been done to decrease environmental influence and recover the quality of life of people. In the recent times, entrepreneurship has emerged as a modern platform in that sustainability problems are being talked. Entrepreneurship has the talent or ability to make prize in each of the all three dimensions of the sustainability through improving modernization by new services, business and products model. There is no doubt as we all have to face the various challenges and problems in the forthcoming time. There is no choice. Societies globally have started feeling the burden of intense storms, sea level rise, high gas prices, and old infrastructure, and they have started taking actions towards these problems. Nevertheless, the question is that what we people are doing at a business level to guarantee that our children and grandchildren adore a quality of life at least equal to us. Today, most of societies wishes for a healthy environment to live, enjoy a comparatively high standard life. This is good news current time frame, but the range of hazards that inhabitants all over the world are dealing with is forcing us to think hard about how to keep it this way. We are just starting experiencing the glimpse of the growing scarcity of non-renewable energy, cost of climate change, and preserving our non-stop mounting cities.
Globalization and local communities. Globalization may be measured to see ever rising combination of national plus local markets into the international economy over investing rules, privatization, and trade assisted by technical improvements. The guidelines of international economy decrease hurdles to commerce and investment and in the process naturally decreases elected controls by country, states and their societies over their monetary matters. The procedure of globalization is determined by the development prototypical of neoclassical economics and is happening progressively at the expenditure on the natural environment, labor, and society, subsequent in increasing difference on the earth.
For example, the existing worldwide examples ropes the development of multinational industries companies. It does not usually select local societies' needs and morals into account. In the lively nature of globalization, numerous societies across the globe indicating microcosms of community at large have been badly disturbed both ecologically plus socially. Current global economic paradigm. On the basis of neoclassical economic theory, the present international economy supports economic development frequently with the price of group and the environment on which it varies. Motivated mainly by attaining monetary revenues for transnational corporations, shareholders inside the present worldwide economic model paid to a worldwide monoculture, failing the social composition of the societies and negotiating the well-being of the environment. The present neoclassical economic model is tested by the environmental economist and sustainable growth specialists who trust monetary schemes must be motivated by human balance growth. In flowing attention, environmental economic prototypes try to be more full value and report for the community, the individual and the natural world. Local economies and sustainability. Economic systems self-possessed of self-reliant, locally rooted economies make a foundation for an extra sustainable global civilization. Community stakeholders, strong local economies involve locally possessed enterprises and organizations that inspire sustainable growth as the basis of resident strategy and plans. It is progressively agreed that social, environmental, and economic sustainability remain much unified. This addition takes place logically in fit societies representing that local connections similar to a society's wants with its individual resources are serious for sustainable community growth. Community heads who understand the requirements of local persons and influence the community's possession such as entrepreneurial size determine the influence of opportunity. In light of the necessity to grow healthy indigenous countries, it is suggested that societies boosting growth of modern entrepreneurial work adopting local problems care drive in the manner of sustainability.
Let's discuss now strategy for supporting community sustainability entrepreneurs. A community sustainability entrepreneur as a modification mediator who partakes the imagination and energies which encourages new potentials, whereas up to date by an evaluation of local requirements and properties, working over the local markets and directed by socio-ecological philosophies of sustainability. We suggest that some visualization of achievement for a sustainable society is directed by simple socio-environmental values of sustainability with esteem for accepting of the restrictions of natural expheric structures. An idea of achievement would not add to the improved utilization of resources that unpleasantly disturb the well-being of the society and the environment.
In its place, a sustainable society is constantly modifying to see economic and social requirements of the citizens, though conserving the local ecosystem's capability of backing it. Fundamentals codes of sustainability offer external limitations for societies, particularly long-standing idea and principles, regularly based by the history of place and its culture. Otherwise, a society's dream might be held discreetly inside the society's societal fabric and local stories of significance. Local enterprise and movement towards sustainability. Local group might be capable to transfer maximum efficiently to sustainability by rising local economies built on society business. One solution to society strength as established beyond is the growth of local economies and The synchronistic accomplishment of social, environmental, and cultural facets as maximum logically arranged by persons close to the ground, local business persons. In rivalry with worldwide functioning companies, small indigenous business may have drawback in the small period due to restricted marketing, economies of scale, medium power. Whereas minor locally rooted business has the ability to flourish, making society flexibility and affecting societies near to sustainability by efficiently using local resources pools of social networks and knowledge. Business persons with a sustainable society dream could have a distinctive skill to organize an advanced niche in formation of local business, instantaneously satisfying society requirements and improving local economic growth. Entrepreneurs with this kind of vision are the change managers talented of moving societies near to sustainability. Often societies hug revolution proposals inspired by local disaster, for instance, damage of a chief manager in the local economy or improved business affluence in local divisions. As different from society response on these kinds of events, local entrepreneurs make local business boost a more practical method, motivating relatively than requiring society effort to sustainability. Business persons are transformation instruments in societies with their will to make innovative products or quality products, innovative means of manufacture, fresh homes of supply, fresh markets, and fresh managerial types.
So, students, let's now summarize what we have learned in this module. Limited experts nowadays oppose with the idea that human beings are strictly damaging several of Earth's environment. And though argument remains on just how ample human actions affect the ecosystem, trade is frequently seen as one of the largest givers to environmental deprivation. Still, industry also has the capability to decrease its bad effect as top companies reveal. Even more significantly, corporate may have the potential to back bad environmental developments by top the world into the next industrial revolution. In the last era, in precise, big industry has gradually taken on the mandate from policymakers and from the public pressure to develop its environmental functioning. The causing plethora of business environmental and sustainability plans, programs, and organization system has powered a developing body of scholarly information on business greening. This diverse multidisciplinary arena studies the antecedents, processes, institutional contexts, and environmental and economic consequences of companies' environmental strategies. While productive, however, these growths are mainly incremental in nature. It is our view that the actual profits will be completed by joining the innovative ability of the entrepreneurship to solve environmental tests with innovative business explanations. Social and environmental problems have been on the plan of government, NGOs, and companies For several years now, as a concern, much has been done to decrease environmental impression and recover the quality of life of people. It has been seen only freshly that entrepreneurship is evolving as a largest and latest forum inside which sustainability problems are being spoken. Entrepreneurship has the ability to generate value within each of the three proportions of sustainability, whereas improving modernization through innovative products, business models, and services. Thank you very much.